Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, I have the special guest. What is your name?
I am Micah. I'm from Cebu, but right now I'm living here in Dumaguete.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, with my boyfriend.
Oh, okay. Where in Cebu?
Before I live in IT Park.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
but I grew up in Karkar.
Karkar.
Yeah.
Because I remember, my husband, he have a subscriber. He's living in Karkar.
Karkar
Yeah.
also.
Karkar is very famous, no? Because we have like chicharon.
Yes, the famous delicacies in Karkar is chicharon,
Yeah.
lechon. Yeah, that's
Wow.
our famous delicacy.
Oh.
Yeah, and also Karkar is a big province.
So you mean it's a lot of foreigner living there in Karkar?
No, not a lot. Not a
Okay.
lot.
Why?
Um, because in my hometown, most of the houses there are like not like in Cebu, like squatter area, like very
Ah,
close.
I
Kind of
see.
house, yeah.
Okay.
But there are some people, then some foreigner live next to Karkar, which is Dalaget, Aslo,
Ah,
in Cebu.
okay.
Yeah.
Like how many hours from Karkar and going to the city in Cebu?
2 hours.
Wow, really
Yes.
far away.
Yeah. That's why when I started working in Cebu, I
Yeah.
don't go every weekends, every Saturday or Sunday in my hometown because it's very far. And then I don't like to travel a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
And
make
in
me
Sa-
dizzy.
yes, because in Cebu always traffic, right?
It's very traffic, very crowded.
Yeah.
Because we live in IT Park, condominium. Inside IT Park, it's very traffic. It's so crowded. Yeah.
Every day.
Every day.
How about the Sunday, Saturday?
So traffic.
Oh
Yeah,
my.
every day. Because IT Parks, a lot of people, every day a lot of people there because IT Parks is, it's a call center. A lot of
Ah,
people
I
work in
see.
call centers. Because very crowded, very traffic.
Ah, okay. So now you're living here in Dumaguete. How's your experience?
Since I started to live here in Dumaguete since April 1.
Oh, okay.
We moved here in Dumaguete April 1. Dumaguete is very nice, very peaceful. The people here is so friendly. Yeah,
Yeah.
very nice. And also, I like to live in the province.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I choose Dumaguete. That's why I choose Dumaguete
Ah.
because both me and my boyfriend, my partner, we like to stay in the province,
Yes.
in mountain area.
Yes. Because in the province it's quiet compared in the
Yes,
city.
very quiet.
Yeah. And you're renting here in the where?
We're renting here in Cantel A
Oh, okay.
apartment.
How much the renting?
18K a month, 2 bedroom.
Oh, okay.
But it's
Include
very
the
nice.
water?
Yes.
How about electric? Include?
No, it's not. I think they don't include the electricity because it depends how you use the electricity.
Yes.
Right? Yeah.
But
So
the
you have
water
to
include.
the water.
Yes. How about the Wi-Fi include?
Wi-Fi is not, but Wi-Fi is very cheap. It's 790 a month.
What kind of the Wi-Fi?
What Wi-Fi do we use then? Globe.
Globe.
Yeah, we use
My
Globe.
God, the globe is very low.
No,
The
but
connection.
the connection, but
Yes.
so far we did not experience like so far the internet is very good.
Because before I
I think it
experienced
depends on the place where you stay. I think.
I think so. Yeah.
But I like the apartment. It's very peaceful, not noisy, not a lot of dogs. Like because there are some places like when you have a neighbors, they have dogs, they're
Yeah.
barking,
Yes. Karaoke.
yeah,
Yeah.
karaoke,
Yes.
especially karaoke. He doesn't
Yeah.
like.
I don't like. But you love sing?
I love singing.
Wow.
Yeah.
You love dancing?
Because I love dancing.
Wow.
Because in our apartment we have a foreigner neighbor.
Ah, okay.
And then also he doesn't want very noisy.
Oh, yeah.
So that's why because he has a car. So when I look at the window his car is not there, then I will tell him, "Hey, I want to do karaoke. I want to sing."
I invited you with my friends. Sometimes they have
Yeah,
party
sure.
like birthday party. Yes.
Yeah.
Because my friends siya ba karaoke, sometimes dancing like that. Yeah.
And also, I really, I like, I like hiking.
I like hiking.
Yeah. I like hiking mountains. I like walking, jogging. They're okay. That's my favorite.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So your everyday workout,
Not every day.
but your
Actually,
body,
second.
your body like in your bed always workout.
I'm not working out. Just sometimes. If
Are you diet?
no diet.
No diet.
Always eating sweet every day.
Good.
Always sweet every day. Ice cream, chocolate.
Yeah, that's my favorite. No?
That's my favorite.
Yes. Especially today, it's very hot. Oh my God, ice
It's very
cream.
hot.
Yes.
That's when I feel hot. I mean, when I feel very hot, I said, I want to eat ice cream.
Yes.
And then when I'm craving pizza, I want to eat pizza. And then people told me that you said you're diet.
You only diet because you're already skinny.
No, you're skinny.
But I eat every day a lot of rice.
You know, Filipinos really like
Yes.
eating.
Rice is life.
Rice is life.
Yes.
Yes. Even you know,
Especially in
when
the
I
Mang Inasal.
yes, very nice. I tried the crispy
Speaking.
king here. I thought because in Cebu,
Yeah.
I didn't see crispy king there. So so that's why I told him that hey, let's try the crispy king because I saw Baby May's video that they're eating. I mean, they said that crispy king is very cheap.
Yeah.
So we tried to eat that. It's very good. Very nice.
If you have 100
Very
pesos,
cheap.
you can buy the one
I think the
chicken,
crispy
one
king
rice.
is 62 pesos, right?
Before I buy, it's like 40.
40.
Yeah.
But right now, I think 62, right? Ben, in
I
Cebu
think
lang.
so because everything going up the price. Yeah.
Yes,
Oh, you
right.
met your boyfriend?
We met in online.
Oh.
Yeah, dating site.
Dating site.
Yeah, we met 2023.
Oh, okay.
2023, we met online.
Mhm.
And then we talked 2 months. 2 months.
Okay.
We talked for 2 months, and after 2 months, we decided to meet.
Mm.
But when during our first meeting,
Mhm.
where he stayed here for 1 week. Then after 1 week, 2 weeks. Then after 2 weeks, he go back to America because he needs to work.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so that's fine. And then, you know, we broke up for 8 months. Then we don't have communication. And then after 8 months, we contact again. Then we came back together. And then now we're here.
He's in love with you because he's come back.
We're both in love.
Yes.
Yeah.
But do you have a plan for Sunday for getting married?
We tried to talk about that, but maybe
Yeah.
because you know we don't need to be in hurry about marriage. Especially we just we just want to get to know each other because we're just living together for 9 months. Yeah,
But with the LDR, how many months?
we are LDR for how many years? A year.
A year.
Yeah, a year.
Before
But right
marriage?
now, when we're staying together, we're only staying together we're living together for 9 months.
9 months.
Yeah, so that's why I don't want to rush all the
Yeah,
things.
that's good. No
Because
rush.
you know, yeah, no rushing. No rushing. If
Same
you
to
don't
my
want to hurt,
husband.
no rushing.
Same to my husband. No rush.
Yeah.
3 years for waiting.
3 years for
Yeah,
waiting.
3 years.
Yeah, that's very good. You have to know each other.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because you know, you don't know that you are very you're rushing the things, then you get married, and then after married, you're always fighting
Yes,
because of this
not
thing,
good.
blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Right. That's why he chose Philippines.
Oh.
Not because he liked here,
Hmm.
it's because he liked me.
Yeah. He's so much in love with you. That's why he moved here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Because the Filipino is the best, right?
Yes, Filipino is very
Yes.
nice.
If you compare in the outside the country, like
like American.
Thailand, like
Thailand,
that. Yeah. My husband told me is Filipino is the best. Yes.
Did you ask your husband why he said that Filipino is the best?
Because God seeker.
They're very taking.
Yeah. Understanding, loving, everything.
Did
It's
you-
complete.
Since you and Paul together, did you fight sometimes?
No.
No
Yeah.
fighting.
No.
No fighting.
No fighting.
Me too. We don't like fighting. Yeah.
I like always happy.
Like, have you tried that you're like tampo?
Tampo.
Yeah.
The first time, I'm tampo.
Yeah. The different of the foreigner, right? That's so different.
Because I watching in the video like YouTube, I said foreigner he don't like tampo or jealous. So I learned
Yes, me too.
Yeah.
Me too.
because foreigner he don't like jealous girl or tampo. And I'm,
Because we Filipinos we really like tampo. Like we don't know,
Yeah.
sometimes we don't understand what we're feeling. Like we
Yeah.
just want to be tampo and we
Yeah.
want our boyfriend to comfort us.
Yeah.
But they don't mind it. They don't care.
yeah. you need to pursue. Honey, you want the coffee? You need to like that. Honey, you want a coffee? And you can feel
Oh,
for
that's
the
one.
yeah.
Thank you for teaching me that.
Yeah. Do not jealous because foreigner hit that the jealous.
The jealous.
Jealous and tampo. But yes. And I will back with you in the restaurant bar. After that, and Paul he the first going in outside and then I sleep in the tape and the box. So and then she's the first and the next. So I get the 50 pesos and then I put the 5 pesos because she touched me to Paul. I like your t-shirt, sir. So I said, oh no respect with that. So I get the take
You,
50
you
pesos.
didn't fight. You didn't fight the girl.
No.
If I were me, I would slap her.
Oh really?
No, I'm just joking. No, I'm very nice.
Yeah.
I don't do that.
Yeah. You need to long fishing.
How do you tampo? Like how do you
Before
how do you jealous? Like you're just very silent.
I'm silent.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm silent. I didn't talk. I don't want to talk.
Yeah. And then Paul asked me, oh, why you're very quiet? And I not answer. And she not answer too. I do not. It's just very quiet. So
But
after
I
that,
think Paul is very nice.
yeah, he's very kind.
Yeah, he's very kind.
That's why people he love before. And he met to the subscriber. He's good entertain. Yeah. He give like 2 hours for
Yeah,
entertain.
I can feel that. I can feel that Paul is very nice.
Mm-mm.
When we watch, even we didn't met him, but
Mm.
I know that we know that he's very kind.
Yeah. It's very nice man. Yeah.
Then my boyfriend is followers, subscribers.
You
of
met
Paul.
already to
He-
my husband?
No.
Not yet?
He always watching Paul's videos.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay, birthday party with violation.
Yes.
Then karaoke.
Yeah, karaoke.
Dancing.
Yeah, dancing.
Yeah.
And drinking.
Yeah, drinking.
But not too much.
Me
like
too.
it,
I
yeah.
just drink when having occasion, but
Yeah.
drinking, I don't.
So for your boyfriend, you're drinking?
Actually, my boyfriend he didn't drink, he didn't smoke.
Oh.
But when I was with my family together with my boyfriend, he cannot say no. Yeah, he's very respectful. He respect my family a lot.
Nice.
Very kind.
Yeah.
That's why when I brought him in my hometown,
Uh-uh.
because all my uncles they are drinking. So
Ah.
he just give it.
That is the
he just
Filipino.
drink. Yes, very Filipino. Yeah, most of the Filipinos
Yes.
do that.
So by the way, you have a YouTube channel, right?
Yes, I have a YouTube channel. I just started last month.
Ah,
Yeah, I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I just started right now.
So how's your experience for your YouTube?
It's nice. It's good.
Nice.
Like
Did
you enjoyed
you
it.
experience for basher?
No, not yet.
Coming soon.
Maybe soon. Yeah.
after the
But I
video.
don't care about the basher. Just
Yes.
basher. I don't care.
Yes, you can ignore because the basher is to help for going up your
Yeah.
more views and more subscribers.
Yeah. Even I hear someone like, did you experience like you and your partner walking in the road or
Yeah.
going to the mall,
Yeah.
and then you hear someone talking behind your back like blah 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 like
Uh-oh.
gossiping. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that.
Did you hear that?
But may I ignore?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I don't
Because
care.
if you give the attention, waste your time. Are you getting stressed?
Like I also have a neighbor like very like doing Martha's
Yeah.
gossiping with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, like making issues.
Oh my goodness.
Like
Don't
yeah.
entertain.
And then saying bad word like
Mhm.
blah 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 about my boyfriend. Like I don't care.
Yeah.
Yes, it's
Enjoy
my
your
life.
life because
Yeah.
life is short.
As long as you're happy or both
Yeah.
happy, then why?
Yeah.
Why you care about the bashers?
Yes.
You don't
What
need-
is your name? Your Dablan again?
my my YouTube channel is PH Live with JJ.
Ah, okay. With your partner, right?
Yeah, that's our all that
Ah, okay.
three of us.
What kind of the vlog?
Just daily life.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
How about the cooking?
Yeah, I love cooking, but maybe I will make a video. I started to make a video about my cooking, but I uploaded it on my Facebook.
Oh, okay.
So maybe soon
How
I will
many-
make a video for
How
them.
many your subscriber? How many?
I only have 200.
100? What if tomorrow is 5,000?
I hope so. Now I'm just started. I'm just
Ah,
starting. Yeah.
What if,
I don't know much about YouTube, but
Mm,
I'm learning about it.
You're
I appreciate
welcome.
it.
Guys, see you
Yeah.
next video. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.